This is our homepage for Pixellab, as we all know, and so this is the background that we'll be working on. And as I said, we'll be creating a logo. I sent the sample logo yesterday, and so from that sample we are going to be creating that logo here. We might not really create something that is exactly like that, but we will create something that looks similar to that. All is that you need to get the tips on what to do as far as creating that logo is concerned. Coming down to this logo, we choose our background. Now we come to image. When we come to these images here, if we like to take it transparent, we take it this way. But if we like a back cover either from gallery, from image, or you choose any background of your choice. But as you looked at that, as you saw in the image that you had, the background was just as maybe white, as let's take white, and then we do away with this text since we don't need it at the time. So we do away with it, we delete. So now when you have a logo as such, what do you take into consideration? We're going to insert circles, and we come to this one here, shapes. For us to follow and do something good like that, let's import that text, that logo, so that we'll be using it as a sample. Follow. So I will import the photo to use it as a sample. It is in Pixellab. I come to my Pixellab, then I come and choose that photo that I want as a sample. This is it. We want to reproduce something that is similar to this image here. So we are just going to smaller size it, and we keep it at the top corner here so that we'll be referencing it. So we have the first circle red, second circle blue, and third circle. So we are going to insert 3 circles, and as I said, we can insert one and then we copy the rest. So I'm going to come to my insert here, to this icon here. As it is clicked, I come now to import shapes. I take shapes. Something like this will appear, a square. I come to this icon and I take circle. As it is circle now like this, it is left on me now from the bottom here to edit it. The opacity is to make it transparent or thick as it is. Then the fill color for the circle, if we take a gradient, we will have something of this such. But from what you saw, it was solid color. So we're going to choose a color similar to that. And then the strike through now is the circle. I let the circle be, as you're increasing, you see how the circle border is indicating. Opacity is still for the circle border, and the same stroke color and the rest. When you check stroke color, you can change the color to blue, any color that you want from here. But let's take the first one here is red, so we take red, and then we tick our item. This is it. We increase it to fit this size, the size we want. Now, after having this thing as our first circle, it is good we lock it such that it cannot be movable again. We lock our first item. When you lock it, we can copy first. You copy it first. You reduce the size. When you reduce the size, you adjust it. And then you copy this one again. You reduce the size. I hope we are following up what I'm doing here. Good. As it is now like this, I change the color of this second one. I come to here, opacity, this stroke, and the stroke color is here, stroke width, and the rest. This is the fill color. Can change it now to green. We are gradually coming there. Okay. The last color here is white. White. And then let's come back here and then we choose the stroke. The stroke color there is blue. And then the opacity, the width, we increase a little bit. This one is also blue. We increase the width too. Good, here we are. Now we come and then we lock our circles so that they cannot be movable. As you can see, you cannot shake on it. No matter how I touch, it is already locked and it cannot be movable. Now let's come back to our front. Let's come back to our text. Now this is the sample. Cameroon Baptist Convention. This is the text we are going to be working on now. And then Zion Baptist Church Ezeka. Now you can write your own of your choice. So I come now to my A here. I take text and then I take edit again. I delete this text and I put Cameroon Baptist Convention. There is P here and I take OK. Now this is it. I can decide to choose the color. This is the size, the color. If you look at it there, the color is green. But we must not produce exactly what it is. So we choose the color that is contrary to the background there. So we can take this to any of the color that is contrary to the background. Now I tick. I come again to the font. I can choose whatever font type that I want from here. But let me take this one. Oh, let's choose chunk 5 and take OK. Don't bother about it writing being across. You can take a bold if you like. Then curve. This is how we are going to make it to bend. When you are increasing to the right, it is going round. So at this level now, we'll be working between this curve and the size. So these are the two things that will work together. You take the size, you increase or you reduce to fit the box. So we have Cameroon Baptist Convention. You adjust it yourself, and then we tick. We can now still copy this, and then we edit, delete this, and we say Zion Baptist Church Ezeka. I think it's okay. Now I come down with it. From here I move to my curve. No, sorry. Curve, not mask. I take curve. I go with it to the left now. You just see how it applies. Zion Baptist Church Ezeka. Oh. I walk between this and then the size. I reduce the size so it can fit so well. Okay, now I copy up here again. I copy and I paste down here. I take edit. First of all, what's the next text we are writing? Splendor of heavenly drama. I take edit and I have splendor of heavenly drama. Tick OK. I reduce the size Now you look at the color, you see that it doesn't match. I change the color. I change the color now to black. Correct. We move forward, we come down and then we copy this. And then we see edit. And we take ministry. Or let's say drama ministry. Is that what is written here? Let's lock this guy. Splendor. Let's say Cameroon Baptist Convention, lock. Then ministry, Ezekiel. Splendor of heavenly drama. Ministry, Ezekiel. Okay, here ministry comes in only. Ministry, then Ezekiel, we edit. We take edit. Ministry, Ezekiel. Now here we go. As I told you, I'm just going to show you how to. I'm just showing you how to edit it, so you will adjust it to be beautiful. So not to make us prolong the video, which will be consuming much of our data. So I'm just showing you a sample of how to make it simple. Now let's go to the next item, which is the difficult part of it that many of us might be wondering how it works. I am locking this item so that they will not display again. Now, our problem now is how to insert this cross to front. I hope we are seeing very well. Is to insert the cross now and then SHDM. That's our problem. So our only thing now is to insert the cross SHDM. So we can delete this one now since we already know what we are working with. So we now go to shapes again and we take a square. This square is already there. You reduce it to your size, come with it to the center. Now we can make the radius somehow. Opacity, okay. Color green. And then we can choose this. Now let's take this one. Then the stroke width, as usual, we increase it. We reduce this. Then we reduce this. This is already our pillar. I hope you have seen our pillar already. First step. Now we copy. This is it here. We pull and then we rotate it. As simple as it is. When you rotate it, yes, you have a shape like this. Then we can reduce the size of this one. And we are done here with our cross. We make sure we lock them again so that they cannot display. It's okay. So now we insert our text S. So we're going to insert SHDM. So we take edit. We write our first S. Okay. This is it here. Ew, where's the size? Size. And then we drag it down. If it is refusing, we come to position. Then we increase the speed that it should move. This is our S. You can now change the color. It's your choice. You already know where you can change the color to suit your text. Then we can do it. Write the next text. Add text. Then we take edit, delete, nice edge. Okay. Come to size. Take increase. We tick. Where is the memory? We still come now to our position. Increase the movement. If you look at it, reduce. Correct. We tick. Color. Choose our H. Then D. Position. Then we increase. Come to size. Position. Then you can just decide now and copy this. Then you see ministry. Position. TM. And here we are with our logo already made, simple as such. So we have it clear. Let's go and make it in such a way that this white background will not be there, because we want to make it professional, and we take a blank transparent background. This is it, already done. We can come and then lock our things. Should in case you are working with a shape and then it automatically goes behind, you can adjust the shapes from their options here. You can either bring it to front, bring it behind, and then you work on it. There are more tools that you explore here using Pixellab. Remember, we have not even introduced something on 3D. If you want to make it on 3D rotation, let's unlock Cameroon Baptist Convention and put a 3D to it. Now we have Cameroon Baptist Convention, and then we will have it here. When we come to text, and then we go to 3D text, when you enable it, look at the way it is already written here. So you change your editings from here, everything. Pixellab has everything you could ever imagine of, and then you do. Pixellab has everything you could ever imagine of. So you just rotate it round, up, down, and whatsoever design, shape of your choice. When you are done, you tick, you adjust it to fit your size. And so you're going to explore more. So let me just end this and save our work so that you edit it to fit your choice. So we save as image. Then we choose default. Take save to gallery. You will render our image without any background. So after this rendering, I will have my logo saved to my gallery, and from there I can share it now to people wherever they are and whatsoever they are. That's how my work is done. So it's saving the work and I'm done. So as it is saved, I can now close this one. Yes, exit. Good. When I open my gallery, let me just send it to you people. Let me go directly to WhatsApp and to my accounts. This one, and then you have it here.